I'm Ann Burnett, Executive Director of United Hands. We are a nonprofit organization that provides free dental, optical, and medical services around the world. It is our privilege to be here today providing these same services on the island of Antigua. What a wonderful honor. And this is all as a result of the Seventh-day Adventist Church in collaboration with the Ministry of Health. Your Minister of Health, Minister Malwin Joseph, invited us. Based on the incredible support of the Ministry of Health, we have been able to erect this temporary clinic that will be here for 4 days, starting today, Sunday through Wednesday. The people have been very grateful so far and very patient because it's hundreds of them. Clearly, we're going to see every patient that we register, and we will not leave until the last patient is seen. They're here for medical services, for all dental services and treatment, as well as for eye care screenings and other optical services. We're providing free prescription glasses. However, not today. We have to send it back to the lab in Texas, and then we'll ship it back to the Ministry of Health so that they can pick them up. Our services are quite comprehensive, and it's just an honor to be able to serve you.
We're having a very successful start with this health fair in Antigua and Barbuda. We have, in collaboration with the Seventh-day Adventist Church and organization, the United Hands, and the government of Antigua and Barbuda with several government agencies. We are finally here at the Multipurpose Center initiating this 4-day program of a health fair covering medical, ophthalmology, and dentistry. As I arrived here this morning about 8 o'clock, I was tremendously impressed with the numbers of individuals who have showed up to get these services, between 800 and 1,000. We had to close registration because the volunteers who are here under the auspices of United Hands indicate that they'll be able to see about 400 patients today. This is really a revelation, because what it says is that access to health care in Antigua and Barbuda needs to be expanded. I have to face the reality that there are many people who would wish to see a doctor, an ophthalmologist, or a dentist. Perhaps are not going forward to get these services because they might not be able to afford these services. This is why it's important to collaborate with different agencies to have these type of fairs so that we can meet and assist those individuals who might have financial difficulties. This is an eye-opener. When I arrived this morning, I didn't anticipate this large crowd. Tomorrow, which would be the second day, I anticipate even a larger crowd than today. I wish to thank the Seventh-day Adventist Church and United Hands and the government agencies, in particular medical benefits, for making certain financial resources available so that we can meet the demands for services that's required by the residents and citizens of Antigua and Barbuda. You'll see in the background that tremendous effort has been made with my staff to be sure we have an efficient layout for these services. And even at this point, there are individuals who would wish to access these services. They may do so. We have, today is the first day, but there are 4 days from 8 to 5 when the services will be open to the general public. I want to thank the Antigua and Barbuda Cabinet for endorsing this program and for making the services and facilities available. If you were to look closer at this video, you would notice that the Multipurpose Center has been transformed. for the services to be delivered efficiently. And so Antiguans and Barbudans, you have another 3 days in order to access these services. Now, I must mention that there is a long-term program that is being designed to make these services available on a daily basis. But you can imagine, because this is a special event, many people are able or have decided to come out and take advantage of the opportunity. The clinics of Antigua and Barbuda will now be providing expanded services.
Well, when I saw the initiative online, I shared it. I always talk about oral health. I always tell my friends, make sure you go to the dentist regularly, get your checkups. So when I saw this initiative, I shared it out. I posted it on all my social medias, and I just decided to come and take part. So it's a really great initiative.
I just want to say this is a great initiative, and I'm very happy to be here, and the people are very wonderful. The team is a great team, and I wish them all the best and more health for people. And you could see so many people in difficulties with health, and they come this morning. So I'm proud to have seen so many people come out today and keep doing the good work.
So I do appreciate the initiative. It's a good one. This is good for the folks in the country.
I think the whole initiative is fantastic. To give people like me and others here an opportunity to get vision, dentists, blood pressure, hypertension. I think it's a good thing, and it's a Sunday. The place is not crowded, traffic is easy. That's why I came.
I'm so glad that these people come here because my cancer is so good. God bless them. Amen.
It's a very great initiative. It's indeed helped the people of Antigua and Barbuda, especially those who are not able to pay for certain medical services. And I do hope that this can be a yearly process in Antigua and Barbuda.
We need to encourage our citizens, even when they do not feel they need medical services, to come to the clinic to get some education. We'll have doctors and other specialists who will be at the clinics to help with health education, wellness education. The emphasis ought to be placed on wellness. We should not continue this practice of only going to the doctor when you feel unwell. We would like to see preventive measures are taken, and the practice of preventive medicine the part of the mainstream for the citizens of Antigua and Barbuda and our residents as well, to be able to stay well. That is important for our economic well-being. Whenever you're not at work, the productivity suffers. So I want to thank all those of you who showed up today. I wish you well, and we'll try to meet the expectation of each of you who come to the Multipurpose Center in order to investigate your wellness or to receive treatment for any disease or any ailment you're experiencing at this time.